Okay, see Lindelof videos, differentiation of logarithmic and exponential functions. I want to do this ln function here. I got a lot of feedback on this from people at the university, and they're like, "Is this a quotient rule problem?" And I can really see that, like, there's this quotient in here. So a much easier way to look at this, and the way you do that is to actually go back to kind of pre-cal and to remember that there are these rules or properties of log functions, which is that the log, including ln, of ab is the same as ln of a minus ln of b. So that's what I chose to do to make this easier for myself. Oh, you know what? This is actually supposed to be to the fifth power. To the fifth power. So everything still works. I'm going to use also this rule that ln of x to the fifth, for example, let's call it ln x to the m, is equal to m ln x. That is to say, I can roll this thing back. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. So I'm just going to rewrite the function really quickly and say that I have 5 ln of negative 4x to the fourth over x cubed minus 3. And then I'm just going to push through, so I'm going to use these rules of exponents. So check this out. I'm going to say that now I'm still just rewriting the function into a form that I can take a derivative out of. So I have 5 times ln of negative 4x to the fourth minus ln, remember you have to have ln again, x cubed minus 3, right? Now if you look at it, it's really weird, but now if you look at it, what we have is we have sum and difference rule here, don't we? So now I'm going to start to differentiate. Say I'm going to take f prime. I'm going to leave my constant multiple out here, but I'm going to take the derivative of this part right here, which is 1 over negative 4x to the fourth, right, times the derivative of the bottom piece, which happens to be negative 16. Looks like crap. Sorry, guys. 16x cubed, right? Now I'm going to do the second part, same way, and I'm going to say this is my minus. Now I'm going to differentiate this part right here, which is 1 over x cubed minus 3, right, times the derivative of this bottom part, which is 3x squared, which is 3x squared. I'm not going to waste your time by doing all of the simplification that can be done here, but there is a bunch of simplification that can be done here. If you have questions about that, please let me know. But what I guess my biggest point here is this: if you take anything from this video at all, is when you see this, especially on the multiple choice part of the AP exam, that they're trying to trick you into looking at this as a quotient rule. And what I'm suggesting to you is instead, if you have a log function, including ln, then apply this rule. It will really, really help you, right? The difference between a 4 and a 5 on this exam is not very much, so just a couple extra ones in the bag is helpful. So thanks for watching the video. If you have questions or comments, please let me know.